This is video 3 out of 4 on the normal distribution. I'll give you a little review on how to do some of these problems. This one says the lifetime of a tire follows a normal distribution of mean 60, so mean 60 months, and a standard deviation of 10. What is the probability that you choose that you would choose a tire that would last at most 50 months, at most, meaning no more than 50, right? Okay. This is definitely different from the first video that we watched. That was greater than a certain value. All right, so we have a template, right? This template helps us to give us an estimate of what we're doing, and it gives us an idea of how these problems are being shaped. So the mean is 60, right? And the standard deviation is 10. So 10 over is 70, right? And remember, standard deviation is, think of it as how the variety of points of the data fits into the overall scheme of the distribution. And it seems like the data set spreads out by 10. And so the typical value here is 60, and then the values spread out by tens, 60, 70, and 80. These are like the marker points. And then down over here we got 50 and then 40. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So the standard deviation allows us to give us that the spread or the variation or the variety of points that are possible in this distribution. And then we go over here and it says, what's the probability that you choose a tire at random that is less than 50 months? No, here's 50 right here. What a coincidence. And so we want to go what? Below 50, which is here, this piece right there. All right. So this piece is going to be 16%, because that's 2.5 and that's 13.5. Okay. So that gives us 16%. So my estimate, right, is going to be 16%, which is going to be interesting to find out if it's true. So here we're going to go normal CDF. Okay. Where do we start shading? We start shading at negative infinity. And how do we do that in the calculator? We do that as negative 1e 99. Where does it stop? It starts at 50, right, which is here. And then what's the mean? 60. Standard deviation is 10. What information do we need for the calculator is what you see right there. Now, remember, when you're doing these problems in your class, your teacher might not want you to do a template or want you to write out, the steps that you did on your calculator. But this gives you a sense of an overall, way of doing these problems. Okay. So second bars, normal CDF. And we go with negative, not minus, negative 1 second, comma, which gives you E, 99, comma, right? 50, comma, 60, comma, 10, close, enter, and there it is. We get 0. We get 0. Let's do that right. Is that an eraser? Yeah. Oops. We go 0.15865. Now, how many numbers are you supposed to write out? Talk to your teacher, okay? Which gives us 15.865%. Okay, and there is another 5, so technically this could be a 6, but we're good. So what does this all mean? Well, the estimate was 16, as you can remember, and that looks very, very close to our answer. So how do we answer this, right? Sometimes teachers want you to write an answer, and it says, what is the probability that you choose a tire? Well, there is a 15.865% chance that a tire chosen at random would or may have, I'll say may have at least, no, may have at most 50 months. Let me see, does that make sense? There is a 15.865% chance that a tire chosen at random may have at most 50 months. Yeah, that sounds about right. And don't be so hard on yourself. If you really can't write that sentence, with practice you'll be doing okay. The main thing here is that you need to look at what the question is and then answer it by repeating what the question was. That helps. Another hard, challenging thing about this is, what is it that they want? Because it's pretty straightforward to look at these, the mean and the standard deviation. There are other problems that will have another mean, a sample mean, but that's something different. That's a different type of problem. That's a sampling distribution type problem. And you would have another row there to take care of that. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your teacher. Share it with your friends. There's a lot more on this channel as well. And if there's something that you want to see, put it on the comments below. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.